Hey, how's it going, guys? Today's tutorial is going to be about a filmmaking technique known as the line of action, or the 180-degree rule. But for an example, or just to test you guys' skills, I'm going to show you 3 shots here, and I'm going to cut between them, and you tell me what's wrong about cutting between these 3 shots, or what is jarring to you. I'm going to show you guys one more time and see if you can catch what the issue is. Now I'm going to correct the issue with these 3 shots. Tell me if you can see the difference. Did you guys catch the difference? So the issue with the first 3 shots are that we flipped characters on different sides of the screen. We established these characters on the right or left, and then the next shot flipped them from their original positions. Well, in the second set of 3 shots, we kept the same characters on the same sides of the screen, making it more consistent and not as jarring when jumping between them, because we've already established those characters on that side of the screen. The way to do this technique is to control where you place your camera. A good way to look at it is from a top-down point of view where we can see where the characters are located. Now, to make this first angle right here, we had to locate the camera just right in front of them on the side. Now, to get the second angle over the red guy's shoulder, we placed it here. And for the third angle over the blue guy's shoulder, we placed it here. Now, if you pay attention to where we placed all 3 cameras, they all seem to be on one side of the characters. It's as if a line between the characters has been created, and the cameras are stuck to that side of the line. Because if they stay on that side of the line, the character on the right will stay on the right, and the character on the left will stay on the left. Anywhere you place a camera on that side of the line, this will be true. This is the line of action, or the 180-degree rule. Now, you're not bound by this rule. Actually, you can break this rule, but in order to do that, you either need the characters on screen to move to another position. So one guy could move from the left to the right, establishing himself now on the right, and now a new line of action would be established there. Or the other way to do it is for the camera to move, inherently moving the positions of the characters within the scene, because the camera's moving, as examples are shown here. Now, I hope this has been a helpful technique, and you guys utilize it in your montages. This channel will upload a new montage tutorial every Saturday, and every Thursday I'll have another video for you guys. So thanks for checking it out, and hopefully this was helpful.